Thank you, Joseph, for the introduction and the overview. I think when you hear a brand or else a business, I think the first thing that probably if, even you see brand representation is a logo, I think that's where you start from, having a logo for your business or for your brand and all that, because logo gives the, it's the first identity of a brand. And we're gonna start with creating a logo for this particular business, healthcare business. So again, I think the AI, it was so hard, to come up with a logo. You had to engage a professional designer, going back and forth with, this designer. Okay. With this designer. So I think I'll just use Ndovesha to come up with a logo. I mean, in less than a minute, or even less than 30 seconds. Then from there, we're gonna see what we will create next. All I don't need, the Canva templates. I don't need the what else? The Adobe, all those tools, Illustrator, and all those Adobe tools, or any other tool, design tool that you may think of that can help you come up with a logo. I just need a very simple prompt and all that. So I'll share my screen. Then from there, we're gonna see what you can do. So on your browser, you just go to Ndovesha.ai. Then you log into your account if you have an account. If you don't have an account, you just sign up and you create one. So for me, I already have an account, so I'll just log in to my account and I land here where I'll pick the agent that I want to use. For this case, I'm generating a logo, so I'll pick the logo agent and I'll tell my agent to generate for me a logo for Afiakia Family Clinic. Then I tell it it's a healthcare clinic. Yeah, clinic. And that's enough. That's all what you need for this. And let's see what we'll get after a few seconds. Then from there, we're gonna see what to do next. So this way you start. I mean, you don't have the brand colors, you don't have anything, you just have the brand name, and you need some identity. You need people, when they see this sign or this logo, the first thing that comes to their mind is your business. So let's see what we'll have. Let's give it a few seconds. And let's see, it's done with our first version. We have this one. It's more of a heartbeat, and is it like, it's more given like a heart. Okay, there's a heartbeat bit of it. Then there is something that's gonna come out as a heart. So also you can see like we have an A. We have an A displaying, probably to show Afiakia. Then there's a C. So, you know, you never know. So then we have this Afiakia Clinic. Then let's see what we'll have here as the third variation. Of course, you get like 3 variations. So let's give it some time here. And yeah, we have another one here. We have a heart. We have okay, I don't know how to explain this. Then we have a heartbeat here. Then Afiakia Family Clinic. I don't know. I think the third one, I'll give it like an 8, 9 around there. I like the third one. So we're gonna go with the third one. So first, again, you can save this brand to the brand settings in Ndovesha, because now we're gonna use the same tool to generate a social media post, a website, and probably if you want to generate a flyer, what else? A landing page, and you know, an ad creative. It's gonna use the same brand guidelines. So we're just gonna save this to the logo, to the to the brand settings. Then let's confirm if it's there. So the brand settings here. Here we have the logo here is Afiakia. Then we have, it has picked the colors, then and all that. Yeah. So then we have the business name here. I had this already in the brand settings. Again, the favicon, let's say the favicon for this, you know, you can upload, you know, the favicon, you get it, of course, from the logo and all that. But since you have the full logo here, I think that's okay. Then we can even input the fonts that you want. You can pick from what we have here. So for this, you can go with, let me see. Let's use Laura. You can have a secondary one. You know, you can pick any font that you want to use for your brand. Let's go with Balo. Then we can save this. It's saved. So then now we have the logo, we have the colors and all that. Now we can, let's generate a social media post for the same. And now the agent knows our business, so we'll just tell it to generate, excuse me, to generate for us a social media post. So let me tell it to generate social media post for Afiakia Family Clinic. And so it is, we can just explain something. It is a modern patient-centered patient-centered healthcare provider offering accessible, reliable, and high quality medical services in Nairobi. Nairobi. So let's see to get here. Again, probably you want to post about a specific service by these this brand or by your brand. For instance, you can mention some of the main services, like a general outpatient care. So you just tell the agent that you want to generate a social media post for Afiakia Family Clinic, focusing on a specific service. Yeah. So let's see what we'll have here. Let's give it some time, few seconds, and I think we'll have a social media post ready. I think it's done. So let's see what we have here. So we have your health, priority, modern, patient-centered care in Nairobi. We have the call to action here, visit us today. But yeah, I mean, you get like what you can go ahead and talk to the chat until it does what what you want. And yeah, so I think I'll take it back to Joseph, then can proceed from there.